I'm Mindy from the offthebarefootgirl.com, and today I'm going to show you how to master the hand call. You don't need to know how to whistle, you don't need a whistle. All you need to know how is to blow really loudly in your hands and master a unique tune that people will know that it is from you. And so today I'm going to show you how to do that. My dad taught me this when I was a little kid, and this is how you set your hands like this. And you always want to keep this hand down, and this one will be your tune maker, if that makes sense. How you make your tune. And you want to cuff your hand to where it is like a hollow inside, and make sure there's no gaps here or here. But you want to make sure your knuckles of your thumbs are open and they point together like that, and they stay like that. So you're going to blow on your knuckles down into your hand in that hole in there. Kind of hard to see. And blow really hard for the tune that you want with using your hand like this. So we're gonna try. It's been a while since I did it. And to get a tune going, you could move your hands like this. So those were the tunes that I grew up listening to my dad make. The first one of those were an owl. You could communicate with the owls, and it's really fun. When I was a kid, I always did that. You could do that, mimic them with the tune that they're making, and they'll do it right back with you, and it's really interesting and neat. So I hope you enjoy. Just keep practicing, and you'll catch on just perfectly.